You may think field agent isn't worth it because most of the gigs are $3, but if no one does that gig in an area, or certain types of gigs will actually pay up to 15 all the way up to $25, and it doesn't take that much longer than doing a $3 gig. So that's how you could really make a good side hustle income with this app. So I'm going to do a walkthrough with you of me doing this $15 gig like you were looking over my shoulder, and show you how easy it is to make this kind of money with this amazing app. So this is a store walkthrough. So they give you a list of products that they want display pictures of. So either end caps, stacks, carts, stuff like that. And then when you find the display, you say that you found it, and then you say what type it was and take a picture, and you just have to do a full lap around the store and get all of these displays. So once you've done a couple of these, it gets really easy because I've done probably 100 of these, and I have the list memorized. But if you don't have the list memorized, a big tip that I would give you is take a screenshot of it on your phone so that you could refer back to it as you go through the gig, because you want to do this as fast as possible so you keep your hourly rate high. If you could do 2 of these in an hour, that's $30 an hour, which is really good for a side hustle income. So now I found my first display, and this was an end cap that was 1 pallet deep. And then you've got to take a nice clear picture of that pallet, of that display. So there we go. I got that picture. Now I'm going to the next one. It gives you the list after every display. So I found another one. This was a cart. It was right next to that end cap. There we go. And just make sure you don't get anything that's not on the list, and make sure you don't get any duplicates. And also make sure you get at least 5 to 10 of these, because they can deny you for not having enough displays, which is really frustrating because I've been to stores and they literally didn't have that many displays, but this one had a lot. So a lot of it is going to be cleaning products and paper products. So I think that was a cleaning product. So now I'm going to the next question. It keeps going, and then now we want to know where the next display is. So I found another one. This was a display for paper goods, paper towels, stuff like that. It was an end cap. So now it's only been like 2.5 minutes, and we're almost halfway through the store walkthrough. We found another display that was laundry detergent, I believe, or a toothpaste. And then now there was a cart right next to it. Make sure that you chose the right display. I thought I pressed the wrong button, and then you could get denied for that, and then you miss out on the money. These get rated by real people, and they have to get approved for you to get paid. But it is super easy if you follow the instructions, or if you're like me and you've done a lot of these and have all the instructions for all these gigs memorized. That'll make it go a lot faster. So now we're going to the next question. This was the last display that I found, so I press yes, 1 pallet end cap, and then now I'm getting the picture of it. Another paper towel, toilet paper. Make sure you look in the back of the store, both sides of the aisles, for these end caps. Some of them are hard to find, like that one, but there it was. You want to get as many of these displays as you can to increase your chances of getting this approved. And then that is it. It's also going to ask you if there was any displays like towards the check-in area or in the front of the store. I never see displays here, so I press no. It asks you if you have any comments, and that's it. So click the link down below if you want to make money with this amazing side hustle app.